If you're hanging out with folks from Buddhist traditions such as Rei-Yukai, Risho Kosekai, or other Nichiren Buddhist groups, you have probably heard their chanting mantra that goes like this. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. This Japanese mantra means to take refuge in the Sutra of the Lotus flower of the Wondrous Dharma. So today, out of the ritual setting in a group situation, I want to introduce an everyday stress relief meditative practice of chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Regardless you're Buddhist or not, you can incorporate this into your everyday spiritual routine. This exercise has merits to you. It relaxes your body, it helps you stabilize your wave frequency, and it restores your positive energy from within. If you're ready to sing with me, please by all means give me a thumb up and hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in learning the meaning of Namu Myoho Renge Kyo and practicing how to chant it, please check out my video, How to Stay Calm Anywhere and Anytime, Meditative Chant Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Let me put the link below to the video in the description box. Okay, you might want to pause here. Let's relax your body, throat, tongue, and everything, and have a deep exhale and inhale. Did you do it? All right. So let's do this together. Okay, I will go with this pitch, B flat. And how about you go with E flat, which is this? Hana Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. And I go with Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. It together will harmonize like this. Namu 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 Myoho Renge Kyo. How about doing this? Okay, your pitch. Namu. I go. Namu. Let's do this 3 times. And as I do it, let's do it together. You go. Namu Myoho Renge. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. It's important that you do it and get relaxed. So imagine as you sing and slowly exhale, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. And by doing that, you are peacefully releasing all of your stress and anxiety and attachment and everything, letting them all go. As all of these are released, imagine your instead energy and confidence get restored. Maybe this way, get restored. I think in a contemporary life, many of us tend to have a short breath, which tends to make us more tense. But this Namu Myoho Renge Kyo singing meditative practice kind of forces you, or invites you, I should say, to exhale. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. And you exhale the rest. And then inhale from your nostrils. And then again, you exhale by saying Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Okay, now you get the basic idea. And let's sing this together. You choose your pitch and I go with B flat. Let's do this for 3 minutes, or as long or as short as you want. And hopefully our voice will merge together and form a single unitary harmony. You might want to bring your family, kids, or like a friends, socially distanced, and sing this together. When it harmonizes, it's really beautiful and it's really uplifting. So, but if you're alone, you and I do this together, all right? Let's do this 3 minutes. Let's start. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. 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 How was your experience comparing to prior and posterior to this practice? Is there any difference in your feelings and how you're feeling your body and how you are feeling? If you feel comfortable, please do share your experience in the comments below. Looking forward to talking to you more in the next time.